Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spaghetti with canned tomato sauce. First, gather your ingredients: 1 pound of spaghetti, 1 24-ounce can of tomato sauce, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You'll also need a large pot for the pasta and a medium saucepan for the sauce. Having everything ready before you start makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now, let's cook the spaghetti. Fill a large pot with about 4 to 6 quarts of water and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Bring it to a rolling boil, then carefully add 1 pound of spaghetti. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook for 8 to 12 minutes, or until it's al dente, meaning tender but still firm to the bite. Drain the pasta well using a colander. While your pasta cooks, let's prepare the sauce. In a medium saucepan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Carefully pour in 1 24-ounce can of your favorite tomato sauce. You can add a pinch of sugar to balance acidity, or some dried herbs like oregano and basil for extra flavor. Let it simmer gently for at least 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to allow the flavors to deepen. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. You can either add the drained spaghetti directly to the saucepan with the sauce and toss to coat, or serve the pasta first and spoon the sauce over it. Garnish with fresh basil leaves or a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. This simple, delicious meal is perfect for any night of the week. Enjoy your homemade spaghetti.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.